वेलकम टू आवर चैनल वी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 12.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 बेस्ड ऑन द हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। क्वेश्चन कुछ इस प्रकार से है। ए काइट इन द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर विद अ डायगोनल 32 सेंटीमीटर and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and the side 6 centimeter each is to be made of three different shades as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used? इसका मतलब हमें एरिया निकालना है हर एक इंडिविजुअल कलर का। तो दिस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर as it is given. This is also 6 centimeter as it is also given to us. Now we can write the sides also so that it is convenient for us. This is this point, suppose A point, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. So this A, B, C and D is a square. Solution that A, B, C and D is a square. Fine. Because with the diagonal 32 centimeter that is given to us, so the term AC we can say such that the diagonal that is AC is equal to 32 centimeter, right? And the lower portion, this lower portion, we call it A, E, F, is an isosceles triangle in which AE is equal to AF, that is equal to 6 centimeter, that is given to us. Now अब हम फर्स्ट सेक्शन की तरफ देखेंगे. So for section 1 we can find the area of shade 1 that is equal to area of triangle CDB, means we are talking about this triangle. Fine. We can also redraw it just to make it clear to you. So here we are finding area of this triangle. Fine. So that is equal to the 1 by 2 into base dB into height cm. So we are having this. So this is 1 by 2 dB is, because it is a square, so we can say that AC is equal to dB, and that is equal to 32, that is already given, 32 centimeter, right? Another is cm. This is not cm, so this is, if I'm going to say this is m, then it is cm. This is height of the triangle. So dB is 32. We have to calculate cm now. So cm is, because it is a diagonal, so it is AC divided by 2. So it is AC divided by 2. So that is comes out to be 16. This is multiplied by 16. So that is equal to 16 into 16. That is 256 meter square. So that's how we can calculate for the shade one. Now for the third shade, so for area of shade third, how we can go for that is the triangle A, E and F. इस triangle का हम area find out करेंगे. So we have to make it separately so that it is clear to you also that we are having triangle in this shape, and that is nothing but the third portion, right? So this is A, this is E and this is F, right? So we are having a perpendicular like this. So we can give a name L to that, and this is our perpendicular. So we have to calculate first EL, this portion from this to this, and LF, this to this. So these two portions we have to calculate LF, both are equal, and the total length of this is 8 centimeter, that is divided by 2, right? So that is nothing but EF divided by 2, that is equal to 4 centimeter, right? So this is EL we are having. Now we have to calculate this AL also, because base into height we want to do. So for that we want to have AE, it is already given to us, that is 6 centimeter. We have to calculate for using the Pythagoras theorem, that is AL is equal to, because AL is now the perpendicular section, so we have to make hypotenuse, that is AE, square of that minus the base, that is EL, and square of that and square root of. So value of AE is 6. So this is 6 square, EL is 4 square and under root. So we can write that is 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So that is square root of that. We are having 2 out and 5 in that centimeter. That is AL we are having. Now the area we want to calculate, area of shade third, that is equal to that is equal to 1 by 2, that is base into height. So base is EF and height is AL. So the base is EF. EF is nothing but the 8 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter into AL. AL is the height. That is 2 into under root 5. So this 2 and this 2 cancel out. We are having 8 square root 5 centimeter raised to the power 2. And after taking under root and multiplication, we are having 17.92 centimeter square. Now we have to find out each shade के लिए हमें निकालना था. Third shade के लिए this is the answer, right? And we are having for first section we are having this 256, right? So 256 is the area of this first shade, right? First shade का area हमने निकाला था. अब the left section is area of shade 2. Area of shade 2. That is equal to, because this is a square section, so जो area first part का होगा वही area second part का भी होगा. So that is equal to area of shade 1. That is nothing but 256 centimeter square. This is nothing but centimeter. So we are having three answers here. This is the first answer. This is the second answer. And this is third answer of the question. Hope you like the channel, like the solution. Please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.